We are addressing the entire HDFC AMC move where they have decided to use their own balance sheet to give liquidity to some of the unit holders of FMP. Dhirendra Kumar, this is unprecedented. Good morning firstly, Dhirendra. But this is unprecedented. If I'm a unit holder, I would say HDFC AMC is a messiah and they're using the old balance sheet to bail me out. But if I'm a shareholder of HDFC AMC, I'm going to ask a question which is that, look, I did not sign up for this.
No, not really, One, that it is not unprecedented. There have been similar instances in the past where AMC had to take it on its books. And yes, this is significant because this is likely to be a contingent, slap of nearly 500 crore. But it is not, there are two ways of looking at it. One is that if HDFC is able to do, one is the legal issue around it, that they might be under regulatory pressure that why did you do this collateral lending? Are you permitted? Or, it could get into a regulatory issue, or regulators might be asking that were you within your rights to do this kind of lending? That's one issue. The other is that the AMC decided not to exercise its right to sell the shares, which could be to the disadvantage. So that is another thing which regulators might ask. Second is that, as a result of this, HDFC might, lose half its annual profit or, two-thirds of its profits. But at the same time, they will be able to build a moat around it, because this is something which no other AMCs can do. No other AMC can do, or a few other AMC can do. And that apart, this is mutual fund is a reputation business. So if you have to take such a thing on the way, it's okay.
2008 also, I remember when it comes to the Subiksha case, some AMCs did bail, investors out. But is this the right way, Dhirendra, for an AMC? I mean, if I'm a unit holder, I would say, look, I've got protected because I've invested with HDFC. But you don't know where this entire NBFC crisis would move. This is not the end of the problem. This could be a prolonged issue which could, just prolong for another couple of quarters.
Yeah, this is something which can actually open a can of worms. Principally, I agree that mutual fund is a pass-through. All the profits and all the losses should be transferred, should be investors. It can't be a situation that profit is investors and losses will be AMC. But this is something, as I was telling you, that the regulatory framework, whether they were permitted, did they exercise diligence in selling the securities, or at the same time, these are the kind of liabilities. If it turns out to be a 20,000 crore position, how will an AMC do? So you never know what could be the scale of it. Yes, HDFC AMC in its wisdom and given the circumstances has chosen to do this, which might be good, which might be disadvantageous to the AMC in the short run, but I think in the long run it will benefit them. This is definitely setting a wrong precedent. Credit, bad credit it should be all investors. A mutual fund is a pass-through. It might be setting a wrong precedent.
So much for taking our time and speaking with us this morning. Investors did want to hear out from you.